If you're using Google Sheet, the menu will be a little bit different from Microsoft Excel. With Google Sheet, you have all these tabs here, and below the tabs, we have Quick Access Toolbar. The tabs that we have in Google Sheet are File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Under the File tab, if you click on it, or if you click on each and every tab, you'll have a drop-down menu with more options that you need. If I click on the File tab, I see we have Import here, which allows us to import the files, make a copy of the current sheet that I'm making. Even the import will import the current worksheet that you're working with and import it into other file formats. You have the option to share it or email it to another person. Under the Edit tab, if you click on it, you have Undo and Redo, Copy, Cut, and Paste. You also have the option to delete your current sheet or delete some specific rows and columns on your sheet. Under the View tab, you can decide which columns you want to freeze or which rows you want to freeze, which ones you want to group. You also have the option to zoom your screen in and out if you feel like the current settings are too small for you. Under the Insert tab, you can insert cells, columns, and rows. You can insert a new sheet, you can insert charts, or even functions if you want. Under the Format tab allows us to format our data. We can either format it as a number, a text, or even align it to either to the left, to the right, or whichever way you want. The Data tab allows us to sort our data, or has options that allows us to sort our data or even create filters or name ranges or even name our columns and rows. The Tools tab has some really special tools like spelling, where you can, if activated, can allow you to check some spelling errors in your sheet document, or even autocomplete if you wanted to suggest some words for you, which will avoid you making wrong spellings of some certain words. We also have extensions and help here. The extensions ones will allow you to do some add-ons, which will allow you to do some really cool things with your Google Sheet. And the help tab has some basic help functions. If you need them or you don't understand something, you can just really visit this tab here, and it will allow you give you some options or some files which will help you navigate your Google Sheet. Most of the time we won't need these two, but everything else we're going to use in our future lessons. The Quick Access Toolbar gives you some of the mostly or the commonly used functions that we'll use mostly. Like, as you can see, some of them are repeating from the tab file, like undo and redo. We have the print one here, we have the zoom. We also have the formats here, where you can format your data either as decimal or text, or increase or decrease the number of decimal places. Here we have the font, where we can choose the font that we want or the font size. You can also make your text bold or italic here. Here we have borders, or fill the cells with colors. Alignments, you can find them here. And again, here is the functions, where you can insert functions or even create filters. And of course, everything which is here, we have seen them under these tabs before. So these are the ones that we'll commonly use as we move along. The one thing to note is some of these menus here, they have these little buttons here. And when you click on them, this little arrow which is pointing down will open an entire menu of whatever that you want to do. For example, if you click on this 1, 2, 3, then that's where you'll find more formatting options for your text. If I click on this 10 here, which is the font size, it will give you more numbers which will increase or decrease your font sizes. The same applies for these tabs here. If I click on one of them, some of them do have these menus. Some of them have these arrows which are pointing to the side, and if you click on those, they open more menus. So it's like a sub menu inside a menu. So please be careful of that, and we'll be using some of this in our future lessons.